Hey, Lady Bosses, welcome back to the Lady Boss Boost, your 5-minute tip to grow your business fast and stress-free. Have you ever wanted a cartoon version of yourself that's perfect for your brand? Well, here's how to do it using ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and we're going to jump right in. So here I am on my main screen of ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is on the left-hand side, I'm going to click on GPTs, and then up in the top search bar, I'm going to type in consistent character and wait for it to populate. And the very first one that shows over 1 million uses, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click Start Chat. And then I'm going to click here to start creating character design. I go ahead and click that, and it's going to ask you a series of questions, and you just simply answer them. Female, the name, I'm going to put Brenda. And now it asks you to describe your character, include things like ethnicity, facial features, outfit, cultural influences, and any other defining traits. So I do have something saved on my clipboard. So every time I put 50s, it makes me super old. So I'm going to just change it to 40s. And I'm going to put a confident white woman in her 40s, blonde hair, pink blazer. I'm going to put light pink. Well, no, let's do hot pink blazer. Sitting on a laptop with a coffee mug that says Lady Boss. And I'm going to put 3D Pixar-style cartoon. That's the main keyword that you need to use is the 3D Pixar-style cartoon. Bright lighting, high quality. And of course, you can add anything additional that you want it to have. Blonde hair, below the shoulders. So however long the hair is, I can even put with blue eyes, hot pink blazer. So however you want to describe your character, it's totally up to you. I'm going to go ahead and click go. You just got to make sure that you have the 3D Pixar style cartoon so it knows that you're trying to do a cartoon. Now, a lot of times these do take a little bit longer than most of your AIs when it comes to creating images. So all you got to do is be a little bit patient. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and I'll be back. And there you have it. So there's a cartoon version of me. I don't think it looks quite anything like me, but it's a cartoon version of me, Lady Boss, right? So then I can put something like put her in a coffee shop, and it's going to ask you a series of questions from there. What do you want to vary across the 4 images? For example, expression, action, or pose. I'm going to answer with action and pose. And then it's going to ask me, what do you want it to do? What's the first action you want to see? And then I have something else on my clipboard. Put her in a coffee shop, drinking coffee, watching the foot traffic out of a window. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one. And now it's going to start creating that image for me. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video again, and I'll be back. Okay, and here's the other image. So you can do this up to 5 images, and then you can download all of them. Just click the little download button, and you can download them and use them as fun little content creation pieces, if you will. There are ways that you can actually create a character and bring it into a software and generate like avatars of yourself. So you know how you can create an AI twin of yourself? You can actually do that using AI avatars, and this is what you would call like an avatar if it's going to represent you in your business and brand. So I just thought this was super fun, and I wanted to share this with you because I came across this and I thought this is so fun to actually create a character that is in your likeness for your brand. If you like this training and you want more like it, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I put out a new training. If you want to learn how to create your AI twin of yourself, not a cartoon version, I have a training that is perfect for you. You can check it out right here. For now, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.